Hi traders, in this video we're going to be looking at the T3MA Alarm Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool uses the Triple Exponential Moving Average and plots clear arrows on the chart, adding built-in alerts so you can see potential trend shifts and reversals as soon as they form. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'll just scroll back. Right, so we have it installed on the chart. As you can see, the T3MA Alarm Indicator plots or prints vivid red and blue arrows directly on the price chart when its conditions are met. A blue arrow marks a potential buy signal, visually pointing to a moment when the underlying trend logic suggests bullish conditions. A red arrow marks a potential sell signal, highlighting a spot where its logic suggests bearish conditions or a possible short-term reversal. Seen over time, these arrows create a clear map of where the indicator has detected shifts in direction, helping you distinguish potential reversals and exits from ordinary noise. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. Alright, so the two cable parameters we have here are the period and then the shift. We can also choose our preferred colors for the arrows displayed on the chart, so it fits in perfectly with our MT4 chart theme. So who is the indicator for? The T3MA Alarm Indicator is suited for traders who want clear on-chart buy and sell cues plus alerts, but still prefer to manage positions themselves. It's a visual trend following tool only, and like any MA-based indicator, can lag and give false or late signals in choppy or news-driven markets, so it should be combined with other confirmation and risk management rather than used alone. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full T3ME Alarm Indicator, MT4 and MT5 article, including examples of reversals, exits, and noise filtration at the Forex gate. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.